Hi, this segment is focused on the sound.
Hi, this segment video is focused on the sound.
Is a voiced nasal consonant sound, and that means the sound comes out the nose.
Is a voiced nasal consonant sound, and that means the sounds come out the nose.
You make the sound by bringing your lips together and sending vibration and voice out your nose, like this.
You make the sound by bringing your lips together and sending vibration and voice out your nose, like this.
A common mistake with the sound is adding what's called an off glide or an sound at the end of a word.
A common mistake with the sound is adding what's called an off guard or sound at the end of the word,
So that team becomes team.
so that team becomes team.
Occasionally, some speakers will shorten the and release the sound too quickly, so it comes out sounding a bit like a b sound.
Occasionally, some speakers will shorten the and release the sound too quickly, so it comes out sounding a bit like a b sound.
That would mean a word like me sounds like b, or a word like hum sounds like hub.
That would mean a word like me sounds like b, or a word like hums sound like hub.
Let's try a few sentences keeping these challenges in mind.
Let's try a few sentences keeping this challenge in mind.
Mom likes the rhythm of the anthem.
Moms like the rhythms of the anthems.
Adam filmed the game in the storm.
Adam filmed the game in the storm.
Moody phantoms come out of the tombs.
Moody phantoms come out of the tomb.
Have fun with the sound as you practice on English Central, and good luck.
Have fun with the sounds as you practice on English Central, and good luck.